36th letter of Urdu alphabet is Hamza. Hamza. This is printed form and this is handwritten form. Hamza. No word begins with Hamza. And we will talk about Hamza later on. Now we move to 37th letter of Urdu alphabet. This is Choti Ye. Choti Ye. This letter is called Choti Ye. It gives sound of double E as in feel. Feel. Let's say take some words. Dadi. Dadi. Dal alif da. And dal choti a is D. D. Dadi. Dadi means grandmother. Grandmother, that is mother of father. Mother of father. Dadi. We have same word grandmother for mother of father and mother of mother, but in Urdu we have separate words, one for mother of father and another for mother of mother. So this is father's mother, Dadi, grandmother. Dadi. Dadi. Be plus ye, be plus choti ye plus seen is bees. Choti ye when comes at the beginning of a word or in the middle of a word, its shape disappears, and then it could be recognized only with two dots below. So this is be, and these two dots are of ye, choti ye. So B and seen, bees. Be is a be choti ye B and seen, bees. Gaf plus lam plus alif plus be plus choti ye. Gaf plus lam plus alif plus be plus choti ye. Gaf plus lam plus alif is gaf pesh gu, lam alif la, and be choti ye b, gulabi. 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 Gulabi means pink. Pink. Gulabi means pink. And now we move to next letter of Urdu alphabet. The next letter, that is the 38th letter of Urdu alphabet, is Badi Ye. Badi Ye. This is called Badi Ye. It gives a sound of Y as in yes. Yeah sound. And sound of A as in cat, A sound. And sound of AI as in rail, A sound. It changes its shape in beginning of the word or in the middle of the word, and behaves like choti ye in shape. So let's take some words. Fees. Fe plus choti ye plus seen is fees. Okay. Fe plus choti ye plus seen is fees. Fees is the same English word, fees. And you have noticed that ye changes its shape, and it could be recognized only with two dots below. Face, face, fees, fees. And fe plus badiye plus seen. Fe plus ye, badiye. Fe plus seen, face, 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 face. You have noticed that chotiye and badiye, when in the beginning or middle of a word, changes their face shape, and they could be recognized only with two dots below. But if we want, how do we know that it is chotiye or badiye? For example, two dots and two dots. So how can we differentiate that it is chotiye or badiye? To differentiate, we put a line and a small line. It is called khada zer. Like this. This line is called khada zer. It is below two dots. If it is below two dots, it means that it is chotiye. It is chotiye. And if there is no khada zer, then it means it is badiye. So here it is chotiye, fe chotiye seen, and here it is badiye, fe badiye and seen. So fe chotiye seen is fees, fees, and fe badiye seen is face, 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 fees and face, fees and face. And with this 30th letter, we have completed all the letters.